Leftover seafood boil. The prep for this, I'm like putting it away and I want it to be somewhat prepped for tomorrow's dinner. So I'm gonna take all the corn that is on the cob off the cob. Potatoes, just, I don't know, quarter them. These onions, let's just cut them up into little pieces. I'm gonna do veggies on one side and then I'll do the seafood on the other. Sausage, like halves. Shrimps, we'll peel. The crawfish are gonna be the bitch. Peel them. See a little tail. This is what it looks like. All leftover. I'm gonna make a seafood pot pie, I think. Start with a few tablespoons of butter. For potatoes and onions and garlic in. Just give everything a rough smash. It shouldn't be mashed potatoes. Like, it's okay if it's a little chunky. It's really just to break it up. Just the teeniest dusting of flour, because this is gonna thicken up on its own, but I'm adding a little flour just in case. What's wrong? It's hot. Don't touch. Wow. High five.
It's hot.
It is hot. Don't touch. Half a pint of heavy cream. Chicken stock. Half a container of broth or stock.
Right. That's so right.
I don't know the difference between broth and stock.
Me neither. That's amazing.
We're taking our leftover shrimp and corn and crawfish. And sausage. There's sausage in here too. There she goes. Lemon juice. Don't get any seeds in there. I think I got one. Oh no, oh no. Some herbs. Basil, parsley, oregano. I'm not adding too much seasoning because everything was boiled in, crab boil. So I don't think it needs any extra seasoning.
Make sure you put lots of cheese depending on the amount of your pot. And make sure to grab your cheese firmly, unless you want seasoning for your dog. I mean, that's okay too. Perfecto.
About a cup and a half of Greek yogurt. Sprinkle of baking powder, maybe like a half a teaspoon, a teaspoon. Start with 2 cups of flour. See how that goes. A splash of buttermilk, just for good measure. Little herb, little salt. Mix it up. Just gonna give it a few extra squeezes with my hand. So now we're gonna measure with our heart. We're gonna take this dough, make it into a flat patty, put her on top. Making like a crust. It does not have to be exact, as long as it just covers the top. This is how she looks. Oven's preheated to 375. We're gonna pop her in for till it gets golden and bubbly, maybe like 30 minutes. Go in with a little side salad. I'm thinking, gonna try a tomato heart. Well, this one's a fail, automatically. A little tomato heart for Valentine's Day. Some pickled onions. A few red bell peppers. All things pink and red for Valentine's, of course. Full of feta. Ooh, Valentine's salad. Looking really good, a little light. They do need a few more minutes, but I do want them to brown nicely. So I'm gonna just hit them with a little bit more buttermilk on top. Let them get nice and golden. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.